In this video, we'll demonstrate how to repair a completed GPS cycling route that has been damaged. This can happen for several reasons, such as weak satellite signal, a failing battery, or data corruption. By the end, you should have a working route that you can upload to your favourite cycling platform. Start by salvaging the broken route from your cycling computer and downloading it as a GPX file. Next, we need to import the route into RouteFixer. Click the import button and find the broken route. The route will then load into the map. Here we can see a number of problems. Firstly, a device error has caused a spike in the route. Next, a GPS satellite signal dropout has created a missing section. And finally, the battery died before the end of the ride. Now we need to plot the route on the map, using the broken one as a guide. To place a marker, use the left mouse button and then trace around the route. A route using roads suitable for cycling will be calculated between the markers. Here it is routing on a road that was not used. Use the right mouse button to add a waypoint and it will reroute using the selected road. This marker has been misplaced and doesn't follow the desired road. To remove it, right-click the marker or click the undo button. Let's complete the route by placing a final marker at the beginning to create a loop. Before we download the route, let's set the speed that we rode at by using the slider bar. If required, change the name of the ride. And also the date and time. Finally, click the download button to generate the repaired route. Save the GPX file to your computer. You should now have a working route that you can upload to your favourite cycling platform. Subscribe to stay up to date with new and upcoming RouteFixer features.